Good evening, everyone. Hey, it's Maida, Mrs. Gordon. You know me. Always showing out. Hey, husband. Hello. Yes. Hello, everyone. What is going on? I am up. Okay, my trip is coming up. I'm trying to repack, because I am not checking both of those bags. I'm just not doing it. I'm not doing it. So I'm in here and I watched a couple of videos on how to neatly pack your things, and that's what I'm going to do. Should I even take this to my husband? Yeah, so the music, of course, I am not the owner of that music. But I'm not showing my face because I look a mess because I'm trying to get ready to go. Still got to do my toes, do my nails. And I got to get these bags packed. But I wanted to do a quick video, real quick. And I'll be done shortly. I got to hurry up. Still got some other stuff to do. Got to shut down my shop. I'm going to miss y'all, but I'll be back. Okay. And God's blessing, I got so much stuff. Work I have to do waiting on me when I get back. That's a blessing. I'm trying to tell you, that's a blessing. I thank God every day. Okay, look, got my scale, making sure my bag is under 50. Okay, I ain't playing with it. Normally when I get to supposed to be at the airport like 2 hours early, I get there 3 hours early and usually repack my bag. I'm not doing that this time. All right, y'all. Save me. Remember what I always say? There's always time for love. I love you. Talk to you next time. Remember, always love yourself. Okay? Bike will be for sale. Yes. Everybody have a wonderful evening. I'm going to get my bag packed so my sister can be ready to bounce. Delta will be chiming in on me soon. And let me know it is time for my trip. I love y'all. Be good. And I'm going to get to packing.